Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into something simple but super useful: how to edit a button in the Unity AAC app. Unity vocabularies are built to give AAC communicators access to powerful, flexible language. But here's the thing: every communicator is unique. That's why being able to customize your vocabulary is such a game changer. A great place to start? Add the names of important people, places, and things in your life. Not sure where to start or what to add? Check out our video called Considerations for Adding Words to Your AAC System, linked here. All right, let's get started by editing the Name button. In your custom vocabulary, choose Me. Select Menu. Choose Edit Page. Select the Name button. Then choose Edit This button. Here's what you'll see. Button Label is what shows up on the button. Button Message is what the device will say when the button is selected. For this tutorial, we're going to add a name to the button message. In the My Name Is field, type your name. Then select Save. And finally, choose Done. That's it. You just edited your first button. Nice work. Now go ahead and give it a try. Select the button and hear it speak. It's a small step that makes a big difference in personalizing your vocabulary. If this tutorial helped you out, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more AAC tips and tricks. See you next time.